Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Sheldon, and this is Behind the Enthusiast. Harley-Davidson has come out with a new model for 2023, and that is the Breakout 117. Yes, you heard me correctly. This is a reintroduction of the infamous Breakout with an upgraded motor, so let's get into it. So first things first, we have to acknowledge that the Breakout now comes with a 117. This motor is rated for 101 horsepower and 123 torque. Very good numbers. And it is also going to be sporting an upgraded gas tank. So we used to have the 3.5 gallon tank, and now we are going to have a 5-gallon tank to extend your riding. Now, a lot of people are going to be super excited about this. We've got a bigger motor, we've got a bigger gas tank, and the specs, as they mentioned in the video, a 240 millimeter rear tire, a larger front wheel as well, and it is sporting a 26 spoke roulette design, which looks super sharp. Now, because most of the Breakout fans over the years like chrome, this thing is completely covered in chrome. I personally am not a fan of chrome, however, I love the Breakout. It is a super awesome bike. Really sharp looking, very aggressive riding style, and its presence on the road is unmistakable. And with this 117 motor in it as well, a lot of people are going to be wanting this bike. And so, to make things even sweeter for you guys, we have traction control, we have ABS, we have cruise control, all the bells and whistles, really. And so, what more could you possibly want from this bike? Now, obviously, paint color, vivid black, standard. You're also going to get denim black as an option, and Baja orange. Maybe you want Baja orange. And my personal favorite for the Breakout is the Atlas Silver Metallic. Now, the reason this is my personal favorite for this model is because there is a blue accenting on the gas tank, and so this would be my personal choice. Now, for you guys, obviously I want to pass along the question, are you guys excited about the Breakout having a larger motor and even a larger gas tank? Let me know what you guys think of this model. Leave some comments down below. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button so I know that it's working. And of course, be sure to subscribe so you guys don't miss out on future videos on the channel. And I will catch you guys in the next one.